Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville One Touch Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, replacing the cracked shower screen that you see right here. This one is the shower head, and as you can see, the crack. Replace the gasket of the machine and replace the gaskets of the boiler, which are located between the steam boiler and the brew boiler. We also descaled this machine twice. There was a lot of scale build-up on the water level sensors of the steam boiler, as well as in the brew boiler of the machine. So yeah, we got rid of all the scale. We deep clean everything in the group head, as well as replace the shower screen and the gaskets and the parts that you see right here. So starting with one coffee, we're gonna test it out. Let's do an espresso. Then we're gonna use the steam and then the hot water. Nice flow coming out of the machine. Beginning to form.
Are you picking up?
I'm Heidi and I have
Looking great.
dropping off.
Looking great. Good espresso shot coming out of the machine using the grinder of the machine itself. Now we're gonna use some hot water. As you can see, it's pulling perfectly. Nice flow coming out of the machine. Working great. And steam. Working excellent. As you can see, steaming perfectly, doing a great job. And there you have it, Breville One Touch working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.